Hello pool players. By the time some of you watch this video, you're going to be seeing red. And I don't mean that because these balls are red. I mean it literally, it will make some players mad. What I'm about to show you is an exercise that is extremely helpful for your game. This made all the difference for me early on. So without further ado, let's check it out. So here's the layout of this exercise. Go ahead and put out 5 balls plus the 8 ball in a triangle rack. As you break these balls, if any go in, just spot them. I like to break by drawing the cue ball straight back to the short rail and letting it rebound back to middle table. So the object of this exercise is very backward to what you're used to. The only time you stroke the cue ball is during the break shot. Note here how I'm shooting the red off the white into the side pocket. Now I want to point out that I'm not just shooting this red randomly off the white into a pocket. I'm also predicting where the white will be so I have another shot so I can completely run out this full set of balls. Another rule is that the white ball must stay on the table after being contacted by a red. So let me explain the goal I just had when I pocketed that last shot. I wanted that cue ball to be near that side pocket so I'd have an easy carom on my next shot. And with just a little bit of draw, it was easy to pocket the red in the side pocket. Now that you see I have a couple balls left plus the 8 ball, the 8 ball, just like in the game of 8 ball, is pocketed last. So in the beginning of this video, I said I'd have a lot of players seeing red. Well, why is it that players get mad when I show this exercise? Well, my take, this goes over many players' heads. This is a complex, serious way to practice cue ball control. And I'm not going to sugarcoat it one bit. If it's not for you, then simply pass. But for those of you who want to take your game to a higher level more quickly, then master this exercise. As far as I know, this drill was created by me. I've never seen it before. I actually derived this from aspects of Russian pyramid. And just so you know, it took me a while to figure out how many balls I would really put on the table. I find that 5 object balls plus the 8 ball is sufficient to gain the knowledge based on this exercise. And here's a word of warning to those trying this for the first time. It's going to take you about a month before you begin to understand the travel path of the cue ball, and in this case, that would be the red ball. And as I have pointed out, this may not be for you because it might be just out of your skill level. I rate this for the higher end intermediate and advanced player. And now let me get back to this game. With this shot, I made a mistake and I left myself bad. But as they say in pool, there's always a shot, you just have to find it. So here I'm going to add a lot of left side spin in hopes to bring the red ball across the table into the side pocket. And I almost made it, but it's time to re-rack and start again. Please reach out in the comment section to let me know what you thought about this, and provide some feedback if you decide to take on this drill. Please like, share, and subscribe, and watch this next video right here. And until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.